Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with a new cue card. It's very important cue card. Cue card number 17. If you haven't watched my previous videos on cue cards, very important cue cards, so please go my channel, visit my channel and watch previous videos which are repeated and most latest material form as material राइटिंग टेक्स्ट 2 का मटीरियल इसमें अपलोड किया गया है और क्यू कार्ड्स, इंट्रो क्वेश्चंस, फॉलोअप्स और आइल्स की प्रिपरेशन से रिलेटेड A to Z आपको प्रिपरेशन इस चैनल पे मिलेगी. सो गो एंड वॉच देम वीडियोस. डिस्क्राइब अ टाइम व्हेन यू आर वेटिंग फॉर समथिंग स्पेशल दैट वुड हैपन. यू शुड से what you waited for, where you waited, why it was special, and explain how you felt when you were waiting. During the pandemic, we all had to stay indoors. There were no social get-togethers. My sister had got engaged in 2019 and we were eagerly waiting for her weddings. My cousins and I had made plans for Sangeet, a ceremony with dance and songs. Suddenly, the government banned all gatherings. My father suggested that we could have a quiet wedding in the court. The suggestion was neither acceptable to me nor the bridegrooms and family. My mother came up with an idea that we go ahead with the court marriage and later we could celebrate all pomp and show. After the court marriage, we waited for 10 months. Once the rule were relaxed, we all started preparing for the great day. It was difficult booking at the marriage palace because many people had been waiting for the thing to relax to celebrate their family functions. But somehow we got the date after 15 days. My cousins and I started preparing for the dances which we had to do at the wedding. Those 15 days were full of fun and joy and we were rehearsing most of the time. I even taught a few steps to my mom and dad so that they could also perform on the stage for a minute or two. My sister also prepared a solo dance performance. One of my aunts is a very good dancer and she choreographed all the dances for us. Finally, the great day came and I remember it was so full of merriment that everyone enjoyed. We shared the videos of dances and the great party on social media. I remember many of our contacts were very angry with us later for not having invited them. Ultimately, they all understood and realized that we were also bound by the rules and could not break them. I only wish this pandemic situation goes away once and for all. So this was a special thing that I waited for eagerly. So guys, आपने देखा कि फर्स्ट आइडिया हो चुका है. Now the time to moving up another idea. Well, I am highly impatient person and really hate it when I have to wait for something for a long time. But today I would like to talk about one special occasion when I could have waited forever. It was during the last summer when my sister was blessed with a baby girl and it was one of the best moments of my life. My sister was expecting her baby at the end of June, but I guess the baby had different plan and she was born in the first week of July. I was really excited about it. I was going to become an uncle for the first time in my life. As per the doctor's advice, we got my sister admitted to the local hospital on the 6th July and my Nicey was born on the morning of 7th July. I waited the entire night outside the hospital and I was very excited and anxious at the same time. In fact, everybody in the family was curious whether it would be a boy or a girl. But I just wanted the baby and mother to be healthy as it was during the COVID period. My sister was in the labor room for almost 5 to 6 hours, which to me felt like an eternity. Finally, when we received the good news from the doctor, I thanked God and congratulated and hugged everyone around me. My dad and brother-in-law bought sweets, for everyone and we could see smiling faces everywhere. It was a special day because holding my Nicey for the first time and looking at how small she was brought tears of joy into my eyes. Also, my sister decided to name her Prisha, which means God's gift, and it was a name suggested by me. Prisha is 1 year old now and she has just started to walk. I love her a lot and the day she was born was one of the happiest day of my life. So follow ups हम देख सकते हैं.